Dad Riffs, and today we're going to learn the next climb. It's the second climb. It's right before the chorus. It's pretty cool. So anyways, this first part that's new, you're going to take your ring finger of your left hand and you're going to put it on the second fret of the G. And then you're going to put your pointing finger on this first fret of the E, so it's making an F note. And you're hitting both at the same time. And then you're going to take your ring finger off and you're going to hit that G string by itself. But while you hit it, this one's still ringing out. So it sounds like this. And then you put the pinky or the ring finger back on, and you take your pointing finger off and you pluck that E string with it. And then you actually pluck the ring string again, and then you take it off. And then you put it back on, but you hit the A root note with it this time. And that begins the climb that you actually already know most of it. So again, that whole new part sounds like this. And then you already know this. And so when you get to the C this time, instead of going, it goes like this. That's, you're plucking the root note and the E string at the same time. So it goes, and then with these fingers, do your best to just kind of pluck those three in a row as it goes. And then you're going to go to an F chord, but you're not going to do it like this because you don't need that root note. That root note's actually going to be an A, which is weird. But you're going to do the F like this. It's like a little mini F. But you're going to hit that root note. And then you're going to go to a D7. And then, of course, you're going to hit this D as your root note this time. It's going to go to a G. And you're going to hit this big fat E and the little E at the same time. Both fingers are on the 3rd fret, and you just really need those 2 fingers for this. You take your pinky off there, or your ring finger, and you scoot your pinky up one, and you hit this open E with it. And you hit the B string afterwards. And then scoot it up one, and then scoot it up a whole step.